Yeah, stepping. That's why only 30 minutes. So please keep your laptop. We will continue, ya. Let's open the class. Karena please. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start the next basmalah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kita please don't read. Okay, how are you today? Now please put up your worksheet that I have shared last week. Now what did we do last week? Kita ngapain? Ya, fill in worksheet after listening practice ya. Now first we have discussed about these kind of places or tourism attractions ya, atau tempat wisata let's say. And then you have done listening practice and pronunciation practice also ya. For today's activity, you will answer these questions and then you will ask your friends about their opinion also ya. But you answer first and then you talk with your friends. But before doing this comprehension practice, look at your worksheet and focus on part B. Sini part B. I have 4 rows here. Thesis, supporting, contrastive, and conclusion. I also have this one table here with order, text part, and definition. So I have provided you with the definition of each rows, but it is not in order ya. Tidak sesuai urutan. Let's say thesis belum tentu this definition. So your task is to choose which definition is for which text part or text structure ya. Let's say yang presenting which one, and then final text which one, and then you order them. Kira-kira which text part or which structure comes first in the text. Let's say a thesis, a conclusion, which order. Is it clear? I'll give you 5 minutes to. I think 5 minutes enough ya, more than enough. To decide which structure and which order based on the definition ya. 5 minutes. Oh, you didn't bring it? Miss Vega, you were sick?
Yes.
Just put it in one. Atau mau di copy aja nanti ya. Yes, thank you. Close it, you didn't bring it? Yes, it's one. I have it. Sudah. 5 minutes ya.
Yang B aja.
B first ya. If you are done, over 5 minutes hit, lanjut membahas yang C ya. Stating means menyatakan. Stating menyatakan, menyampaikan gitu ya. Don't forget to order. Dan gitu. If you are done, you can start answering the C part ya. Okay. After you answer, we do it in pair, like you asking your friends, ya. But later, I will give you the time for that. So you fill in the answer for C first, ya. If you are done with B. Setelah selesai dengan B, silahkan jawab sendiri yang C, based on your own opinion. And then I give you time to talk with your friends after this, ya. Ini dulu fokus. Hopefully you are done with the B part. Now I give you time 10 minutes to answer the C until C ya. Tomorrow. Why? Today ya. Because it is only opinion. Yang B, everyone's done or still working? Still working. Okay. Okay, so for this question, you will only discuss 4 and 5 with your friends ya. Nomor 1 dan 3-nya kita bersama semua. But 4 and 5, you will have conversation with your pair ya, with your partner. Because 1 until 3 itu faktual, you can find the answer on the transcript. Ya, 1 sampai 3 di transcript. 4 and 5 based on your opinion. Okay, girls, I think everyone is already on C part ya. So I do not repeat again. Please pay attention to the questions. Number 1 until 5. Number 1, in what three disciplines does the recording talk about? Tentang apa? What tourist attraction was they are talking about ya? And then number 2, what benefits can visitors have? Apa benefits? Kelebihan, manfaat, let's say ya. Ketika mengunjungi tempat yang ada di teks ini. And then what disadvantages atau kebalikan dari benefits, what is it? Benefits kelebihan, manfaat, berarti disadvantages kekurangan atau kerugian ya. Let's say kasarnya kerugian. If they come to see the place, apa sih kurangnya untuk ke place tersebut? And then 4, are you interested in your opinion? Apakah kalian tertarik with this place and why? Let's say you don't, kenapa? If you like it, why? Also ya. And then the last one, if you are asked to go, let's say kalian disuruh ke sana, mau tidak mau ke sana, let's say, walaupun kalian tidak interested ya, which places do you prefer to go to? Kan there are many places mentioned here ya, tidak hanya satu. And why do you want to go there? Clear ya? 3, 4, 5. Snorkel menyelam. 3, snorkel. Snorkel itu menyelam ya. Snorkeling berarti kegiatan menyelamnya ya. At least in one sentence. you to decide based on this text which one is thesis, which one is supporting, let's say contrastive yang mana, and recommendations yang mana. Just give panah, just give arrow, and then write down part apa. Misalnya ini adalah recommendation, let's say kalau itu satu. Cuma kasih panah aja. Because I give you space here, right? Jadi kasih panah, ini bagian apa, misalnya paragraf 2 sampai 3. Only that, your additional task that's not written here. Tidak tertulis di worksheet lainnya. Okay. Last week, have you translated the words?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Yang ini. I am interested. Ada ininya ya. Because the question, are you interested? So, I am interested or I am not interested. Say I am interested because it seems cheap. Is it cheap?
No.
Biasanya pulau-pulau begini really pricey ya.
Yes, mahal sekali. Lebih mahal buat jalan-jalan di dalam daripada
Even though they are remote, meskipun mereka kecil gitu ya, but because of the view, pemandangannya.
mungkin karena bersih juga kali.
Yes, yes. Yes?
Bisa sekali nggak ada dia ini gimana?
Ininya. Oh ya. Oh ya. If you didn't come last week, kalau tidak datang last week, jadi ketinggalan part A, please borrow your friends ya, pinjam temannya.
Gimana caranya
Disadvantages. Disadvantage. Kalau banyak disadvantages. Dan, oke, menghadapi apa nih? Menghadapi apa dulu? Menghadapi
cobaan.
Oh, face aja. Face buka ya, face struggle. Dan ya. One of bla bla bla. Apa? Say salah satu makanan. One of the foods. Jadi kalau salah satu tempat wisata, one of the attractions.
Ini number 5 berarti misalnya kita mau kemana aja gitu ya?
Yes, but based on the text ya.
Based on the text.
Yeah. Because we're talking about Maluku Islands. But Maluku Islands have so many places to visit.
Ini nomor 5 nih.
Yes, number 5. Have most of you done? Aku belum until number 5.
Sudah tidak tertarik.
Sudah tertarik, yes. Dan, okay, yes. Jadi, Okay, now because we are really short on time, I give you 3 minutes to ask your friend number 4 and number 5 ya. Silakan. Okay, wait. Because I think it is not enough to write down here, please flip the paper and then write down the main idea of your friend's answer. Let's say ada Pur dan Ikan. Pur musiman. Jadi pilih salah satu nomor saja untuk mewawancarai temannya ya. And then you write down their answer on the back of your paper. Gitu ya? Is it clear? Choose only one question to ask your friends. Jadi tidak nanya bolak-balik, only one question. And then write down their opinion on the back of your paper. Lagi you minutes ya? Lagi you Oh ya, jangan terlalu nyanyi ya, coba aja. Number 2, yeah. Everyone agrees?
Yes.
Please choose your friend to answer the next definition.
Gaida.
Gaida, please, the next definition.
Presenting the writer's final sentence
Suggestions.
relating to the topic.
Okay, what is it?
Recommendation.
Conclusion. Oh,
Itu.
final stance, yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
suggestion. And then the order will be
Four.
Everyone agrees?
Yes.
Okay. Gaida, please choose your friend for the next one. Monica, please. Row 3. Yeah.
Setting the issue to be discussed.
Thesis. Thesis order number 1. Number 1, everyone agrees?
Yes.
Okay, ya. And then the last one, choose Hanifa sudah membaca berarti ya. Kita sudah habis. Ya sudah.
Miss langsung jawaban aja, Miss.
Baca dulu lah. Masih, it's okay.
Other point, please.
Negate. Or this.
Disagree
Yes, good.
to the supporting point.
Which part is it?
3. Contrasting
Points
points
or
arguments
against or cons, yeah. Everyone agrees?
Yes.
Okay, now let's go back to this text. Which one is thesis? Paragraph number 1. Until disadvantages, yeah. How about the second one? Pro.
2 and
2 and 3. Okay, good. Because apa? Karena isinya positif ya. How about arguments against? 4 ya. Paragraph 4. Why? Karena ada kata-kata despite ya. Isinya karena ada kata despite. And the last one we have recommendation ya. Now let's do it fastly saja ya karena we have 5 minutes. Tadi Muna terakhir ya. Muna, please choose your friend for number 1.
Tiara.
Tiara, please, number 1.
Soalnya ada kan, Miss?
Yes, soalnya aja. Aku know with your answer ya. Okay, so again,
In what tourism place does the recording talk about?
yes, Banda Naira. Or if you want to answer fully, the recording talks about Banda Naira
And a beautiful Iceland.
Island. S-nya bagian Island. Okay, good. Now, everyone agrees atau ada tambahan lain? Intinya Banda Naira, Maluku Island, and friends ya. Please choose your friends, Tiara. One friend. Hanin, please number 2.
What benefit can visitors have or experience when visiting the place?
Yes.
The place as a museum is a wonderful place.
Wonderful place and then museum also you mentioned.
Yeah.
Any other ideas? Yang mirip-mirip ya? Consider the place as museum and wonderful place kalau yang part 2. Many activities. You can answer based on the text or you. What would your many experience? Okay, now need choose your friend. Number Rahma, number 3.
What disadvantages can visitors experience when they come to see the place? The disadvantage are the journey is a lot of cost and takes a long time.
Okay, pricey and really far ya. Struggle, ya, strugglesnya banyak. Strugglesnya mostly about price and distance ya, time distance. Okay, good. Number 4, please choose your friend.
Cinta.
Okay, Sinta. You answer based on your friend's opinion ya. Okay.
Cinta.
Question first. Yes.
In visiting the place mentioned in the recording.
Why Sinta said?
And everybody say,
Why?
yes, because the view is good and many foreign fauna is there.
Okay, many flora and fauna and the view is good, yeah, amazing. Okay. Number 5, please choose one of your friends. Last one. Tapi punya meme answer atau punya saya? Your meme's answer ya. Okay. If you ask to go, which place do you prefer to go to and why do you want to go there? I prefer to go to Turkey because there's a lot of cars, cats, entertainment, Okay, this is out of the box, yeah.
History and the culinary.
Okay, this is really out of the box, yeah. Because I asked if you are asked to go to Maluku Islands, ya. Jadi kalau ke Maluku Islands,
Berarti harus ke Maluku
Maluku Islands. It has to be here, ya. But really nice opinion, ya. How about you, Hani? How about your answer?
Saya benar ke Bali.
But it's okay. I will see how you form your opinion, ya. Okay, so wait, keep going. Iya, out of the box lah. How about others? Adakah yang jawab out of the box Maluku Island, out of Maluku Island?
Ada meeting tuh.
Just kata daerah.
Maybe Bali kata dia.
Balik mau
Now, girls, what have you done today? Kalian mau ngapain? Kalian ngapain aja today?
Discussion with friends.
Discussion about
Bandanera.
ya Bandanera dan
Structure of argumentative
deciding
Structure of
argumentative discussion text ya. I add argumentative karena memang ini isinya arguments. Ada what is arguments for? Is it pro or contra?
Dua-duanya.
Both pro. If I said arguments for, pro. If I said arguments against,
Kontra.
And then for the first part we have
Tesis.
What is it for? Introduction. Now, what Kursek it is for? Recommendation, conclusion part. Yeah. So, remember if I give you or I provide you this kind of text, ada pro and kontranya. It is about argumentative discussion text. Not only one point, tidak hanya poin yang pro saja, let's say, tidak hanya yang kontra saja, but I give you both points, and then on the on the last part, I give you my stance atau this nilainya kira-kira pro atau kontra, and then I give you recommendation. Different with other text, ada kalau kalian belajar di kelas 11 English Analytical Exposition Text. Kalau analytical itu dia fokus on one stance saja ya. Kalau argumentative itu both stance. Is it clear? Ini beda